Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It's assembly time. We're gonna have fun this video. Lots of stuff to do. I'm gonna try not to swear so much this time. So, heads, pistons, push rods, carb, Jenny, oil lines. Let's see what we can do tonight. Where is he? Where is he? Tatro! Good for you. There he is. Here he comes.
What?
He's coming.
Talking on me again?
Yeah, I'm picking on you because I'm a huge bully.
I was talking to
Ooh.
I was talking to JJ on YouTube.
Oh yeah? Yeah, he's an angry person.
Oh, I squashed them. What are we gonna do with these?
With what? Oh, they're still up for sale. Chopper swapper. 14 bucks each.
Are we gonna sell all your old parts?
Yep.
They're all in the back. We're gonna make a package deal or just one at a time?
One at a time. Or a package deal, 500 bucks. All my spare parts. I don't know. I don't care. I'm thinking about selling the tank if anybody might be interested in the booby trap tank. Shoot an offer. It's still really good. It's been doing fine, no leaks. It actually surprisingly hasn't rusted so much because I haven't coated it. It will even come with gas. Bottom's a little crap, but fun boob. Booby trap. Hand painted. By yours truly. What's he doing? What's taking you so long, man? He's just hitting the hammer. Ah, he's getting the goop. That's what he's doing.
Brand new can.
Yes! So you know it's good.
Maybe.
Ooh, the El Torco. Here, I'll take that.
You want to use this or just tighten normal?
I mean, I don't care.
It rattles.
That's good. That means it works.
I don't have a socket for doing it though.
Don't have a socket?
Nope.
Here, I'll take it. All right. What else? Well, the socket's right here.
Until you were up in here by.
Oh, no, that wasn't me.
Oh, you left it.
That's never what I do. I haven't been in there in years. It's been like 6 years since I've known you now. Oh, a half decade. Over a half decade I've known you and your angry ways.
Torque wrench.
Torque wrench. Oh yeah, breaker bars. They're always pleasant.
What else do I need?
Integrity.
Those are long. Where's my pliers at?
Pliers, there's a bunch of them out there on the table.
Channel locks.
Channel locks are out there too, because remember we were using them for doing something the other night.
What else do I need?
Some new shoes.
Good morning.
Howdy. Flashlight will work. Tire irons.
I need those.
Gear pullers. Ooh, you know what that was for? That's for the push rods.
Oh, intake manifold.
Intake manifold? I have one already.
Long extension.
Long extension?
Clean the back. That ain't a long extension. There. That's the short one, and the long one. Don't mix up my stuff.
I'm not mixing up your stuff. Here you
So
go.
you're just throwing stuff around. Like
Oh, I'm sorry, Dad.
Dad in my household. There's any noise in there. Cold back here.
It's not that bad.
Freezing.
Where's your heater?
Gone.
Really? You got rid of it? Oh yeah, it's the oven now. Oh, remember the Great Fire of 2016? That was brilliant. Had some stuff up there, opened up the oven, and it exploded all over the place. It was great. I think there's still, yeah, you can still see splatters over there from when it exploded and everything. Oh, that was brilliant.
All right, what are we doing?
Here you go. I'm gonna give you this. All right. Let's goop these up.
Why?
Why?
Cylinders aren't clean yet.
Cylinders are clean. Yes, they are. How are they not clean?
How'd you clean them?
I cleaned them with solvent, and I blew them off.
That didn't clean them.
It didn't clean them?
Nope.
Why not?
Because you didn't clean them.
Really?
Yep.
How so?
Gotta clean them better.
How? Tell me how to clean them better.
You get a scrub on them a little bit. And then you gotta wipe them out with some CRC to get all that nasty grit that's in there. Look at that nasty grit. Make them like new again. Where's your oil at?
We need to grab some actually.
What kind of oil are you gonna use?
Break-in oil.
Break-in oil. You actually gonna put the good stuff in here?
Yeah, we're doing this right so I have it more than 500 miles.
We should have painted these heat dissipant coating on here then.
No, it's fine.
Broke my nail.
What a shame.
I'm gonna start crying here in a minute. All right, we'll be back. I gotta go clean these. Close that door. It's cold in here. Where you going?
You told me to bring them back to you.
I'm over here.
Jesus.
Where's your workbench?
Right here.
Is that all we got today? Is it clean yet?
Oh shit. This one's a little wet still.
It's all right. Work on it.
Okay. The good stuff. That's the full one. We're not going to use that one. Now I know why it's full.
You sucked all the life out of it.
Yep. Maybe upside down.
It's like you in the morning.
What? I don't get your joke.
Not left. There's an ear in that one. There we go. There we go. It's like you in the afternoon.
Yep.
All over the place.
Just spitting shit. Sorry. God damn it.
No, you're not.
No, I said earlier I'm gonna really try to not swear as much.
Yeah, right.
Actually, gonna try and give it the old.
Dumbass try.
Yeah, one of those.
Is it clean yet?
Looks pretty clean.
Not yet.
Not ultimately clean, but it's pretty clean. It's getting there.
Yeah, shake it up. That'll make it better.
Yeah, it always does.
That was dirty right there. Jeez, I can feel all the grit in that one. There's a little black on there. See the brown?
A little.
That's full of crap there. What did you do to it?
What did I do to it? He says.
I didn't do it. I done cleaning them.
Is that the new fresh towel?
No, it's a dirty towel. I stole this from the Indian guy a couple days ago. Stole this from Smitty's new pile.
Awesome. That's the new towel.
You don't have that grit feel to it up here on top like it did.
Doesn't anymore?
No.
That's good. Definitely don't want that grit feel. There you go. Smack someone like that. Jeez.
Towel's too big. If it comes out black, that's not good. That's a tight squeeze there, boss.
There you go.
Fan's getting too fat. How's that look?
Looks pretty nice.
Looks like it needs some more cleaning. Cleaner now?
Yep.
Clean up the eat on?
Yeah, I would. Make burritos.
There's the clean side. Where'd my hand hurt?
Moving all that stuff.
Knuckles all red too for some reason.
Check this out. Oh, sitting down like a champion.
Oh, you got the production seat now.
Yeah, now like smooth dolly movement for dramatic zoom-ins.
Zoom out.
There you go. Put some work into it. Get some elbow grease in there, man. Come on now. It's like you've never done it before.
My hand don't fit in there no more. I used to put that in 45 cylinders. They were 2 3/4 inch.
Yeah.
These are 3 3/16.
Yeah.
Hands are getting bigger over the years, not smaller. Okay, that's a clean rag. Don't lose it.
All right. What now?
My hand hurts.
I'm sorry.
So is my wrist.
That sucks.
No, you don't.
Ow.
You don't care.
I do. I genuinely do.
Yeah, right. Man, thumb hurts too. I need a day off.
Yeah, you do. It's coming up.
Right now. Let's go home.
Nah, not today.
Who left the dingleberry right here?
I don't know.
What do you call that?
Dingleberry.
You're in charge of cleaning these up. What happened?
I don't know. Missed that one. I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
I am.
Man, it hurts. Okay, what do you got going over here?
What we have going on over here is we need to put these pistons on. Get the rings on there.
I need to scrape all these surfaces. Where's your file?
My file? I'll go grab one. Here, let me set this up.
Grab the fine one.
All right.
Go grab the double bastard off the workbench.
The bastard.
We don't want the double bastard.
We don't want the double bastard.
There's 2 files on my workbench. Bring me the one that's better.
All right.
You got any oil in this crank yet?
Nope. Brought the oil out though. It's right there.
You blowing out the dirt lately?
What?
You blowing the dirt out lately?
Yeah. No.
That was a yeah and a no all at once. That means no. See what comes out. Oh, look at all that crap now. Locked in now, can't get away.
I didn't know which one you wanted, so I brought them both.
I told you the fat one.
That one?
Can't you tell the difference between fat and skinny?
You said double bastard.
So I didn't want the double bastard. Which one's this one?
I don't know.
It's not the double bastard. Appears to be a high spot there.
It's funny, I'm noticing things that we didn't do the first time around.
Everything. High spot.
You can tell. Yeah, I got it.
Won't move. Camera can't see because you're not filming.
Yeah. I can see everything. There you go. Now you can see it, see everything.
Here's the high spots.
Yep. Now it won't leak.
I don't know about that.
It'll leak less.
Maybe. Okay.
Thank you.
Used that for a cylinder a little while ago. What's all this grit in here? Did you blow that off?
Here.
There's grit everywhere now. Blow it. Trying to blow the crap out, not in.
Makes sense.
Maybe to somebody, but not you. Okay. Where's your oil?
Which one do you want?
The correct one.
We are using this.
What's that?
Break-in oil. Conventional.
Conventional break-in oil.
What does that do?
It's not the non-conventional break-in oil. With your screwdriver.
Use your thumb.
I don't want to use my thumb.
Thank you.
So I never gave you anything.
All right.
Where's the rod at?
The rod? Which rod?
That one right there.
It's right there. That is some viscous stuff.
The rod bearings aren't totally dry now.
That's good. That massages it in there, huh?
The main bearings are a little dry though.
Not for long.
Getting in here is a bit harder on this side.
So you just want to kind of massage it in there before you just go crazy with it, huh?
Well, there ain't gonna be no oil in there for a while. Because the motor's dry.
Yeah,
Because why?
because it's being worked on.
Because we flushed the piss out of all the crap out of it.
Yeah, we did.
Don't put too much in there.
Okay.
How much should I put in there?
About half of it. Appears we're in gear.
Well, how much oil's in there now?
About half quart.
Can you see it in there?
Not really. Yeah, you can see it in there.
Good.
Sweet, no leaks so far. That's always promising.
Why am I going backwards?
Something with the flow to put it in the oil pump or something.
Nope.
Or to not put it in the oil pump.
Not pump it out.
Because if you do it now, it'll just go all over the place.
If I go forward, it pumps it out. If I go backwards, it just lubricates the piss out of everything. Look at all the oil in the rod right now, see?
Yeah.
Fills it up.
Yeah,
There's
dude.
a bunch of oil in there. There's 3/4 of a quart of oil in there. Now, as soon as I go forward, it's going to blow it all into the gear cover. It'll lubricate everything over there.
Yep.
So right now we're just lubricating it over here.
So we want to go backwards first, always.
So the Timken bearing should have oil in it now. Now lean the bike toward me and we'll get the main bearing over here.
We should probably move the front end a little bit further away from the edge.
Well, if you roll it forward a little bit, it'll make it go that way. See how that works?
Yeah.
Now lean it toward me. Lean.
Give me a second.
Yeah, this way. Keep going. There you go. Boom! Right in the face. Okay. Now we're going to lubricate the cam bearings and the shelves and the pinion bearing.
A little bit more.
Whatever. I'll go back. Okay, don't break the head. Alright, everything should be well lubricated now. Now we're making a mess though and everything. How much oil went away?
A lot of it. That means it's in there.
Or it's over here.
Or it's over here.
Because of the motor.
Because of the motor.
Depends on the motor.
Depends on the motor.
If the motor's sealed up, it goes over here. If it leaks, it goes over there.
Oh, that.
These are in my way. Why are these over here?
I don't know. Don't scratch my chrome. Fancy.
Is that where that goes?
Yep.
I remember we put the clear over here so I could work.
Yeah, weird. All that stuff that doesn't go on my bike.
I don't know why it's over here.
Neither do I.
Okay, I gotta clean my work area off. Did you clean your work area off yet?
Yep.
Did you clean it with your dirty hand?
Yeah. Actually, I cleaned it with that orange rag over there.
This one right here?
Well, no, that's red.
Fingernail's broken.
Still?
Yeah.
Hasn't fixed yet?
No. Really shocked about it too. I don't think it work anymore today.
Yeah. Sometimes it does that. But don't worry. Keep your chin up, lad. Stip off her lip.
Why are we wiping the oil off the rod for?
Because we don't want oil getting everywhere else.
We're trying to keep it off the gasket surface. The gasket sealer will work.
Oh. That makes sense.
Imagine that. Okay, run your finger across the gasket surface. Is it oily?
Negative. Seems pretty legit.
Okay. Where's your super snot?
Super snot is over here.
Where's the pistons at?
Pistons are right in front of you.
How come the wrist pins are all dirty?
Really?
Look at the grit on there.
Here.
Where'd you put these at?
Right there.
Don't lay stuff over the motor. I just got done cleaning all that junk.
I didn't lay anything on anything.
You're going right across the area I just cleaned.
There's nothing underneath it.
No what?
What do you...
What do you mean there's no dirt under there?
There's-
Why wouldn't there be any?
Why would there be any?
It was laying on that dirty workbench over there.
It was laying on your toolbox, man.
This could be a dirty toolbox.
Yeah, right.
How come these are tight?
Because they're good.
It's tight.
They'll loosen up once we get some oil in there.
Snug.
Is that good?
No.
Why?
It's supposed to be floating, not tight.
So what do we do?
I don't know. Okay, is the crank true?
Yes.
Is the rod straight?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because you put it together
How long ago?
a year ago.
And was that before or after you blew the motor up?
It was after.
So I straightened the crank and rods after you blew it up?
Yep.
How'd I do that?
I have no idea. I'm proud of you, though.
Secret. I think you're reversed your numbers a little bit. So you think this rod is still straight, not tweaked?
Looks pretty good.
Are we going to check it or are we going to go with it
How do we check it?
carefully?
Okay. Well, let's check it.
Where's your checking tool?
I don't know what it is.
You need a long wrist pin and 2 parallels. This is a short wrist pin.
Okay.
That's dirty because you didn't clean it. All right, you need some more tools.
All right.
Where are your tools at?
I don't know. We're going to go find them.
Need a long wrist pin.
Long wrist pin, huh? Clean that off. Let's go find this long wrist pin and 2 parallels. Parallels.
They don't sound very burr free, do they? I think you use these last and burn them all up.
Bummer.
Oh yeah, they got burrs all over them. I can tell by how they don't roll very smoothly.
Yeah. You can hear it.
Yeah. That means you butchered them.
Yep. Long wrist pin.
Where's my long wrist pin at?
Thought you just got it.
I got my parallels. I got my parallel straightening device here.
Just sharpening stone.
Honing stone.
That's half right.
High spots over there.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody hit with a big ass hammer.
I wonder who was that.
I don't know who used it last. Probably you.
Never seen those things before.
Hear the high spots?
Mm-hmm. Precision machining.
Look at the burrs on that thing. Big ass one on there. More titties everywhere.
Yep. It's never a bad thing, dude. Never a bad thing.
It is on tools. Big high spot.
Yeah, you can see it.
Does it sound flatter than it used to?
Mm-hmm. Sounds a lot better.
Not digging in like they were.
Nope.
They're still a little off, but they're better than they were.
It's gonna be cool to see how this works. Where's the wrist pin?
Where's your long wrist pin?
Where's your long wrist pin at?
You don't have one?
Negative, sir. Oh wait, found one. Long wrist pin. It's kind of curved.
It's pretty good.
It's about right.
Yeah.
Oh, close enough.
Knucklehead part.
Knucklehead part, you say?
Yep. Knuckle and head. Also pan head early.
Early pan head and knucklehead, huh?
453 or 4.
Okay.
Also flathead UL. ULH. All of those.
That's cool.
But not 45.
But not 45, huh?
45s are short. Like those.
What's the advantage of having a wider wrist pin?
The longer it is, the more it shows air.
That's good.
Guess what those do?
They stay straight.
It's not good, it doesn't touch. So now you go all the way this way. All the way that way. See how it got looser?
Yeah, that's bad.
That means it's got a couple thousand clearance.
Is that good or bad?
That means the rod is laying like that. By a couple thou. Now you go this way. You do it again. First you push down. You go like that again. Yeah, that's looser.
Yeah.
Then you go this way. See how it's tight?
Yeah.
So that means it's got a twist in it.
It's got a twist in it?
Yep.
So how do we fix it?
You untwist it.
And we put something in there and...
Bend it.
Alright.
So it's a little off. Not too bad.
That's good.
Few thou. Within tolerance. So you see me straighten rods now. Rod aligner. You see the tool I use. That's how you straighten them over here too.
I haven't seen it, so
Same tool.
we're gonna have to look that up on the videos.
Okay, now we do the same thing here.
That one's...
I'm pushing down, it's loose. I push my direction. Got drag on it. See if it's trying to fall away. And that one gets real loose, so
Yeah.
that's not too good. All the way over. All the way over.
That one's a little worse.
It's hard to tell. They both have a big gap. But is that gap bigger than this gap?
Sound about the same.
Yeah, sound about the same. You can actually put feeler gauges in there and find out. And you go this direction, do the same thing. A little loose on this side. If I go way over it, more equal, so.
Yeah. So they're about the same?
They're about the same.
So what does that mean?
That means the rod's straight.
That's good.
So when you check it this way, you get it side to side.
Yeah.
But when you go half a turn, the rod instead of being here is over there.
Yeah.
That checks twist.
Okay. Cool.
So you can check both ways.
That's really rad, actually.
If it's laying on, if it's tight on this side, loose on this side in both directions, that means the whole rod's bent over that way.
Okay.
If it's the other way around, it's bent this way. If it goes from this way to that way, then it's probably pretty equal, because the rod has twist. You can't be twisted the same
Yeah.
direction. So if everything's fairly equal, you're good.
And that one was fairly equal.
Yeah, they're fairly shitty, but yeah,
You just swore.
that's right. See how loose you
We need to get a swear jar going.
I don't think so. I have a press for that piece of crap.
All right. We shall return.